We will begin by marinating our chicken. You need 4/10 of a cup of soy sauce, or roughly about 100 milliliters. Then you will need 3 tablespoons, or just shy of a 1/4 cup of peanut butter. Now add in 1½ tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1½ tablespoons of lemon juice. And if I said lemon, I meant lime. 3 teaspoons of sesame oil. Same goes for honey, 3 teaspoons. If you are using fresh ginger, you will do 3 teaspoons of fresh ginger, or about 3/4 of a teaspoon of grated powdered ginger, and 3 cloves of garlic, but I'll do a tablespoon of powdered here. 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flake, and some salt and pepper.